which is the first national park established in India. Corbett National Park. Which of the following resource is abiotic and renewable? Water. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? National Park, State. Ranthambore National Park, Gujarat. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Periyar, Karnataka. Namdapha National Park is in Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the Bandipur National Park? Karnataka. Where is Kanha National Park? Madhya Pradesh. Which state in India has the largest cover area of forest? Madhya Pradesh. Which state has the highest percentage of forest? Mizoram. Kanha National Park belongs to which one among the following biogeographical areas in the world? Tropical subhumid forest. Bandipur National Park is in which state? Karnataka. The Great Himalayan National Park is in which state? Himachal Pradesh. In which state is the Kangir Ghati National Park? Chhattisgarh. Which of the following has been declared as the marine park by Indian government for the conservation of coral reef? Gulf of Kutch. Which one among the following has the maximum number of national parks? Andaman and Nicobar Islands.